Hi there, I'm Danielle from Pangolin Photo Safaris and welcome again to the Chobe River. Today we're sitting with a lion on an elephant carcass. It is quite gory, so for those sensitive viewers, look away right now. Right, so we're going to shoot at an aperture of f8 just to make sure the elephant carcass as well as the lion are in focus. We want to get close-up shots as well as shots including both the elephant and the lion. So we're going to use our zoom for that, and then ideally it'll be better to get down onto eye level. So if we take the camera off and we shoot from the side of the boat. Right, so the lion is busy pulling on the elephant hide, and you have to ensure that you have a fast shutter speed so that you get all the action and there's no blur, especially with the water droplets dripping off its mouth and splashing around its feet. He's busy holding it down with his paw. Really important to shoot on continuous mode so that you catch every little bit of the action, and watch your focus point. Check the borders of your photograph, make sure nothing is touching the side so that you get the whole picture, almost the landscape of all the action happening. So you'll see our other pangolin photo boat right there, a good angle together with us, a nice clean background, and we're lucky enough that we can position ourselves any way we would like to either get more of the lion's face or more of the carcass. We can basically choose which angle of the light that we're working with. Lion is looking up. So the lion is actually standing in the water, and there was another male lion right at the back coming down, looking like he wants to come down. If there are two lions, they'd probably make quite a good team in keeping the crocs off, but you can see the crocs. There are about 3 or 4 crocs lying a couple of meters away from the lion in the water, waiting their chance. Water droplets dripping from the lion's mouth. Now we're drifting closer with the boat, so I'm going in, zooming into the lion's head, getting a headshot of him with the carcass so that you can still identify what he is busy eating. It's scenes such as these that make photographing from the Chobe very special. It's not something you see every day. So make sure that you click our subscribe button, the bell icon, bottom left corner, to get more videos such as these. Until next time, bye bye.